Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. In today's tutorial, we're going to be diving into the world of CSS variables and custom properties. This is a fantastic feature in CSS that allows you to create reusable values and make your style sheets more dynamic and easier to manage. So if you're brand new to coding, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. And let's get started. What are CSS variables? CSS variables are also known as custom properties, are a way to store values that you can reuse throughout your style sheet. For example, you might have a specific color or font size that you use in multiple places. Instead of writing that value each time, you can store it in a variable and use the variable instead. So let's start off by creating this simple HTML template in our index.html. So I just added an h1 that says welcome to CSS variables and a p tag that says this is a paragraph to demonstrate CSS variables. And I'll hit Control Save and our live environment is turned on over here on the right. And this is just so we can see our programming in live time. Now let's go over to our style.css that our HTML is connected to. In our style.css, let's define two variables in our root, which is going to be the primary color. So I'll do -- primary color, and I'll set this to something like this modern looking blue. And I'll do a -- font size of 20 pixels. And I'll hit Control Save. This root pseudo class means that these variables are globally available in our style sheet. Now in our body tag, I'll do font family, Arial, and I'll do a sans serif. And now in our h1, I'll do color, and I'll add the var in our CSS, and I'll do -- primary color. And I'll do font size, var -- font size. Now when I hit Control Save, you're going to notice that the h1 is using our variable that we stored up here. So the variable names in this case are -- primary -color and -- font -size. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing with the p tag. Now the p tag is using the same variables, but I'm actually going to add a -5px. And now when I hit save, it's going to go down by 5 pixels. So the benefits of using CSS variables are reusability. You can define a value once and use it in multiple places, making your code more dry, which stands for don't repeat yourself. If you need to update a value, you only have to change it in one place. So if I were to do something like this, then it'll all be white font. And you can easily create themes or switch styles dynamically with JavaScript using this. And that's it for our introduction to CSS variables and custom properties. As you can see, they're a powerful tool for making your style sheets more manageable and flexible. I encourage you to experiment with them in your projects and see how they can improve your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to support my channel, my Patreon is in the description below. Thanks for watching.